Hello, this is Jerry. Welcome to another lesson on JavaScript. I will be showing you how to replicate or make copies of an HTML element. So to begin, we need a loop, and for instance, we need like the for loop. So we start as for var I is less than, let's say we want to repeat an element 5 times, so 5. I plus in the update. And then inside this for loop, we'll have the paragraph tag, the P tag right here, highlighted here with the solid 2-pixel green font size of 30-point font. Yeah, so you can have as many elements, any HTML elements that you want to replicate or make copies of. So we use, okay, now we want to say document.write paragraph. Inside this paragraph we'll say hello world, and end it there. Then I want another loop, more say a nested loop, for the div element. And as another example of replicating an element, for example, we can make the div. We can have several div elements to be able to create a table of some sort, or like some sort of, like, maybe you want some sort of like a checkerboard or something. So this div will have a border solid of 4 pixels blue, width and height of 100 pixels, and the very important piece is the display. It must have an inline dot block, so that when we repeat the div in one line, like let's say 5 times or 6 times, whatever, it would keep all the div elements in one line, and then we'll have a break at the end, and it will repeat that, I don't know, like 4 or 5 times, however many that you want. So okay, so let me say for okay, we have declared var. We'll say R stands for row. We'll set this to 0. Let's do this. Start at column first. Okay, var c column set to 0. C less than, say, 4. It's going to be even. Let's say, and then update, and what we want to repeat is the document.write div element, like we said. And then we want a space after each. Yeah, we want a space in between the columns, so we want you have a space here, a block space right here. Yeah. Then outside the loop, which is var, let's do this, okay. And then we want to repeat this, the columns, however many we want. I'm going to repeat it the same and keep it even for like 4 times. So var row set to, okay, r less than 4 times r plus plus. And then so after each row, so the outside loop repeats the inside loop 4 times. So, you know, we have one column is 1, and then like going from top to bottom, and the outside loop will repeat, will repeat the column 4 times. And then at the end of that row, we have document.write. We need a break after every row, after each row. Okay, now we can go ahead and save it. Oh wait, hold up. We're missing, oh here, double quote here at the end. Yeah, before we check everything, let's see. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, save it. Okay, run it Chrome. And now you see hello world 5 times. And then that as a paragraph tag. And then the div element is down here. We have, you know, 4 columns, like he said, which is the inside loop, which is 1. Like, let me see. Yeah, we have 1 column on the left here. We have like 4 divs on the left was 1 column, and in the next column, and the next it repeats 4 times, and that's the outside loop. The outside loop repeats this far left column 4 times, and that's how you can make like a table, or I don't know, maybe calculator, checker, some sort of like a checker board game, chess game, or any type of game. You can input certain data in these cells, and it can be used as maybe a background of a web page. Yeah, so that's all. Yep, that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. We have completed our lesson. You are welcome to subscribe, comment, and share. You may go to the discussion area for the requests about any web programming lessons or projects you would like me to show you.